What are the steps you can take today, now, to position your business to pay less taxes next year legally? I'm sure you want to be in a position to pay less taxes next year. What can you do from now to be ready to pay less taxes next year? I am Kersha Campbell. If it's the first time you're joining me, I do help CEOs, business owners, entrepreneurs to scale their cash flow and profits through strategic financial systems. What are those steps? Number one, you need to understand that taxes are based on the information that's provided. So, what is your profit? What are your expenses? What's your income? Those are the numbers that I use to determine the taxes that you pay. So, you do want to ensure that you have solid and clean bookkeeping, solid and clean records. So, what does that mean? That means that you want to ensure that your records are accurate, free from error. So you don't want to have a situation where you have a ton of missing transactions, unrecorded transactions that are also recorded incorrectly. You don't want to have that. So you want to have a system process in your business that there is organization. So the flow of transactions are organized. You have a process to record them correctly. You have a system. You want to ensure you are working on that now. You want to set that up from now so that next year you are in a position where your records are accurate, your reports are accurate, because for sure that forms the basis on which your taxes are calculated. So you don't want to have a case where you have $5,000 in, let's say, in office expenses when a part of that is not office expenses, it's actually capital, right? You don't want to have a case where, oh, I made 300,000 in sales when you actually made 250. You don't want to have that disorganization, incorrect recording. You don't want to have that in your business. So you do want to set up processes from now. Look at your business. How are things recorded? Is there confusion? Is there chaos? Chaos and confusion sets the tone for you losing money and impacts your health and so much more in your business. So you do want to be, good morning. My little one just got up. So you want to ensure that you are definitely positioned to have that organization and flow in your business so that your numbers are correct, your numbers are accurate. And depending on your tax bracket, right? If you have a dollar, let's say, in unrecorded transactions, that can lead you to be paying an average 50 cents more in the dollar in taxes. So you don't want to have that. You want to make sure there is correct and accurate, solid bookkeeping, solid record keeping. The next thing you want to do, the next step that you should be taking is creating a tax plan. So that means you're sitting with an expert and deciding on what is your tax plan. What should you do? What should you not do? Depending on your personal situation, depending on your business situation, your tax bracket, all these factors impact your tax plan. So it's a legal plan to pay less taxes. You want to start having those conversations from now with your tax expert. And of course, that plan can change throughout the year, and that's fine. However, you want to have a plan. You want to set up a tax plan from now with your tax expert. And do remember, this last thing I'll throw in, when we talk about taxes, it's not just your tax, your income tax at the end of the year. You have to think about all the other taxes that impact your business. So there are payroll taxes, you might have property taxes, goods and services taxes. So that whole amount, all those taxes impact your overall taxes that are paid. So you want to keep your eyes on that and be aware of all the taxes that impact your business. So those are some steps you can definitely start taking from now to be prepared and positioned to pay less taxes next year. Do remember to share this video with other business owners, other CEOs, Please comment if you have a question, a concern, and of course, as always, you can reach out to me. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Or good afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. Okay, signing off now in 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys.
Wait.